पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड के मैनेजमेंट कमेटी के चेयरमैन नजम सेठी ने वाज़ेह किया है कि वो भारत को धमका नहीं रहे बल्कि मुस्बत रहकर पाक भारत क्रिकेट के मसले का हल तलाश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
I have not been threatening anybody. Give me a break. I'm trying to be positive and find a way out of this problem. I could have easily said that if India is not going to come and play in Pakistan, we will not play in India. But I tried to find a hybrid model. I said as much in the meeting in the ACC meetings, and people understood what I was saying. I want to be positive. Okay, you can't play us here, let's play us there. That sort of thing. I'm concerned about not just the Asia Cup, but also the World Cup and the Champions Trophy. The World Cup will be in India. We'll have the same problem there. My government might turn around to me and say, we have security issues there, you don't go. And then the Champions Trophy following the World Cup, which we are the hosts, which we are hosting. And then India might turn around and say the same thing. We're not going to play in Pakistan. And ask the ICC to shift the venue. So, this is not going to work.